Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to get Steam Workshop mods on CarX Drift Racing Online. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Hover your mouse over the community option and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Workshop. This will take you to Steam's Workshop section where you can browse and download user-created content for supported games. Now, once you're in the workshop, look at the right panel where you'll find a search bar. Click on it and type CarX Drift Racing Online. As you type, Steam will show you a suggestion, so go ahead and click on CarX Drift Racing Online from the results. This will bring you directly to the game's workshop page where all available mods and custom content are displayed. On the left panel of the workshop page, you'll notice a variety of filters available. These filters help you narrow down the type of content you're looking for, whether it's maps, vehicles, liveries, or other modifications. Click on your preferred filter category to refine your search results and make it easier to find exactly what you want. This filtering system is incredibly useful when you're looking for specific types of mods or content created by the community. After applying your filters, browse through the results and click on your preferred workshop mod that catches your interest. This will open the mod's detailed page where you can see screenshots, descriptions, and information about what the mod adds to your game. When you're ready to add the mod to your game, simply click the subscribe button. Once you do this, Steam takes care of everything else for you. The mod will automatically begin downloading in the background while you continue browsing or even playing other games. Steam handles all the installation and integration, so you don't need to manually place files or worry about complicated setup processes. The next time you launch CarX Drift Racing Online, your subscribed mods will be available and ready to use in the game. And that's it. You've successfully subscribed to Steam Workshop mods for CarX Drift Racing Online, giving you access to custom content created by the community. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.